Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with some crusty dusty, I don't know how many day old twist out. This was actually a twist out done on an old twist out. Yeah, I do have this video recorded, so I'll go ahead and link the card in here somewhere. Yeah, so for today's video I'm going to show you guys a bomb wash and go. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and did majority of my hair, so I'm just going to show you guys this section right here and what I used. So I am just doing a one product wash and go. I was going to use a gel to go with my leave-in, but I'm not really a gel person. So if you guys know any good wash and go combos, just leave them down below in the comment section so I can try them out. But I was going to use the Wet Line Extreme Gel, but I didn't really know what would go well with that. So I just stuck to one of my old favorites. First I'm going to dampen this section, and I will be using the Miss Jessie's Leave-In Condish. I haven't used this one in forever. Focus. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. I took the top off because it's so hard to freaking get this stuff to squeeze out. So I'm gonna use that much on this section. Let's go ahead and apply that. It has a really thick consistency if you have never tried this leave-in conditioner by Miss Jessie's. Another one of my favorites from the line is Pillow Soft Curls. So Pillow Soft Curls and then this leave-in conditioner. And then I'm just going to take my dimming brush and go ahead and smooth it in with the brush. Alright. Then I'm going to take my spray bottle one more time, go over it again, especially at the roots, because the dimming brush for my hair, like if I just brush it down like that, my ends will be super defined and then this part will be puffy. So I just want to make sure that I go ahead and just re-moisturize that part, and then I'm just going to go ahead and shingle this section. Sorry if I'm breathing hard, you guys, and I don't know if you guys remember my heat damage that I keep telling you guys about, but that's why this part is so puffy, and then it's like loose here because this is where like the heat damage is. That's why it's loose, especially on this side. Like you can really see it, like how it's really thick and then it gets like stringy. I really don't like that, but the only option is to completely chop off my hair or cut it. Yeah, completely chop off my hair, and I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna wait for this like to grow out, hopefully. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing for this last section. Spray, spray, spray. Take some of that leave-in conditioner. Who else has like hard times getting their product out of the container? It's so annoying. Apply it to that section. Detangle with my dimming brush. And then go back over that section again, especially at the roots, with some more water so I don't end up with puffy, poofy, puffy roots. You want it to be defined. So this is my hair, what it's looking like after I apply all the product, and my hair is freaking short. I'm liking it. I did go ahead and before I did the box braids, I cut my hair. I trimmed my ends, and then when I did my twist, I trimmed my ends again. So I wonder how big my little curly afro is gonna be. Alright guys, I'm back and this is my hair and my curls are super defined. There's barely any frizz, and I use my favorite oil, Watermelon Squeeze by Tropical Bliss. I went ahead and applied this to my scalp and down the length of my hair, just like 1 or 2 pumps, just to kind of like fluff it out a little bit. And it came out so good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair looks a little bit shorter than what I'm used to. As I said before, I was like trimming my hair like a lot, but I like how it looks like shorter. I love it. I kind of want to cut it even more. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any wash and go recommendations that you think that will work, recommendations that you want me to try, then go ahead and leave it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be doing another poll on my channel to see which video you guys would like to see uploaded next. If you guys would like to see another wash and go video, let me know in the comment section down below as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.